Hi besties, you're so welcome to our YouTube channel. If you like to know how to make Persian Falooda, watch out this video. If this is the first time that you're coming to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Click the bell button to be notified for further videos. Now let's go to see what ingredients we need. To make this Persian Falooda, we have to follow two steps. The first step is making syrup and the second step is making rice vermicelle. To make syrup, we need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/4 of rose water. Following this recipe, you will have a sweet syrup. If you want it less sweet, just reduce the amount of sugar you're using. The second step is making this rice vermicelle. We need 5 ounces of this rice vermicelle. You can find it in Asian markets. Now let's go to see how we are going to mix these ingredients together. Add sugar. Add water. I stir this syrup until the sugar is resolved in the water, and I also turn on the burner on medium temperature. The sugar is fully resolved in the water. Just put it away and let it cool down in the room's temperature. Now the syrup is cooled down. I add the rose water into this and stir it. I pour out this syrup into a metal bowl and put it in the freezer. After first 2 hours, I pour out this syrup into a metal bowl and put it in the freezer for 6 hours. After first 2 hours, I bring it out. I stir it and I put it in the freezer again, and every 1 hour I do the same. This is the finalized frozen syrup that we need for Persian Falooda. As I told you, I put it in the freezer, and after first 2 hours, I bring it out, I stir it like this, and again, I put it in the freezer. And every 1 hour, I do the same. And this is the exact texture we want our syrup to be. It's not fully frozen, and it's very soft. Boil water in a pot and add rice vermicelle into the pot. Let the rice vermicelle be cooked for 9 minutes, or follow the instruction on the package. Now transfer it into a colander and rinse it with cold water. Let it be fully drained and cooled down. Pour this into a bowl. شربت یخ زده رو توی کاسه می‌ریزیم. Add rice vermicelle. Stir it. Put this mixture in the freezer for half an hour and then it's ready to eat. This is the finalized texture that we are looking for. You can keep this Faloodeh in boxes, in plastic boxes, and put it in freezer and keep it in freezer. Before use, just remove it from freezer and use it. This is the Persian Falooda. You can always add a little bit of lime juice to it and design it with cherry syrup. Bon appetit. If this was the first time that you were coming to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified about our further videos. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to put your comments and opinions down below. See you next time.